Assalamu alaikum, sir. How are you? I hope you're doing well. In today's class, we'll teach you how to extract a script for YouTube automation. Before creating any video, the first thing we need is a script, which we'll rewrite and then use for the voiceover to move forward with our video creation process. First, open any browser. I'm using Chrome. After that, open YouTube. On YouTube, we need to find channels that post news-type content. Since we're working on boxing, we'll look for a channel like Fight Now. Click on it and open it. Let's open a video from the channel. For example, this one was uploaded 2 minutes ago. I'll also share links to recent channels that are actively posting content. Extracting a script is simple. The method is the same for all channels. Let's get started. First, play the video. If the internet is slow, the video might take some time to play. As the video starts, click on Show Transcript. Once the transcript opens, change its format to remove timestamps. Now play the video again. You'll find 2 types of voices in the video: a robotic voice, an original human voice. Typically from an interview, identify and remove the human voice parts from the transcript. This is because transcripts show every word spoken in the video. First, copy the entire transcript and paste it into WordPad. Open WordPad and minimize the older files. I have an older document here. Let me close it. In most videos, the start contains an interview with a human voice. Let's determine if this video has a human or robotic voice. This one has a robotic voice, so I'll use it. When interviews of boxers appear, we'll delete those parts from the script because they are irrelevant. Play the video at 2 times speed to quickly find the next interview or relevant part. Once we find a point like to retire, select and copy it. Paste it in WordPad and use the find function to locate it. Once found, organize it by adding spaces or breaks and save the file regularly to avoid losing progress. Continue listening to find where the human voice transitions back into the robotic voice. Play and identify where this transition happens. For instance, here the human voice ends and the robotic voice starts. Cut the human voice part and keep the robotic voice for our script. Let's keep checking the rest of the video. At the end of the transcript, you'll often find short interview clips of boxers talking about each other. These parts should also be deleted. Use the same method to identify these parts. Copy, paste, find, and delete unnecessary sections while organizing the text. Repeat this process for every interview or unnecessary part in the transcript. For the robotic voice segments, simply copy and organize them into WordPad. Once you have cleaned the entire script, save the file. Now you're ready to move to the next steps. This is how we extract a script from YouTube videos for automation purposes. Follow this method consistently for all channels to build a clear, concise, and effective script.